everybody, welcome back to the Glamory Shop. This is your girl Sophia, and I am here to help you DIY and upcycle your way to a fabulous wardrobe and a magazine-worthy home. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you always know when the new videos go up. Now, on today's video, it is officially sweater season. Yes. So, I'm super excited today. I'm going to show you how to turn this sweater shirt into a show-stopping sweater skirt. Let's get to it. Video, you're gonna have your normal suspects for your sewing supplies. You got some elastic, a seam ripper, tape measure, scissors, straight pins. I did include a ruler, a hard one, a zipper. I'm gonna use a separating zipper. You don't necessarily have to if you don't want. And then I have got some glass beads to put onto the sweater. So let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is find out exactly how much material you have to work with. Now for the sweater that I chose a longer sweater so that I had like more material to work with, because I do want it to be a conservative length, maybe like right knee length or a little bit right above it. But honestly, you can make it as short or as long as you want to. This is just kind of a guideline to doing it. So the first thing that you want to do is measure exactly how much material you have to work with. Now the thing about a lot of sweaters, and this one as well, is that the back is longer than the front. So what I'm going to actually do is cut open the side seams, because I'm going to end up having to re-sew it to where they are, you know, even with one another. Okay, so if you've cut out your sweater the same way I did, because it had uneven edges, then you'd have two pieces that look like this now. So the next thing you want to do is just line up these bottom seams. And then once you've lined them up, you can pin them together, and then we're going to cut straight across. So the next part that you're going to do, once you decide what's going to be the front and what's going to be the back, is you're going to put these beads onto your front of your skirt. I'm not going to put them on the back just because I think they'll be uncomfortable to sit on, considering that this material is rather thin. So I'm going to randomly just place them and affix them to the shirt. I don't want any kind of rhyme or reason to them. I'm only going to use the like smallest beads, but they came in a pack from the Dollar Tree like this. And there are some bigger ones on there, but I only want to use the two smallest sizes just because for me, the larger ones take a little bit more to affix them to an object, and usually you want to put some type of backing or something like that to make it stronger when you're beating it on there. So I feel like using the small ones, because they're so light, they'll be fine. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna take me a little while, but I promise you, if you do this, it will be worth it. Okay, as you can see, I have painfully put every pearl randomly on to the front of the sweater skirt. I'm super happy about how it looks. To me, it just adds a little bit of upscaleness to the sweater upscaleness. Is that a word? I wanted to hold it up so you guys could get a really good look at, you know, what it looks like up close. So essentially, like I said, this is going to be the front of your sweater. Now, the rest of it is pretty simple. You're going to make an elastic waistband. So we're going to make a casing to put in the zipper. Honestly, the easiest way to do that, I'm going to show you. So the easiest way for me that I found to put the zipper in is really to make two pieces out of this. So what I would do is go ahead and fold this in half and just make sure that each of the pieces is lined up accordingly. And I would just go straight down the middle. That way, because I'm using a separating zipper, I can put one side on the other side and one side on the other side pretty simply without actually having to do like the things that we do when we put in zippers that cause us lots of headaches and heartaches. You know what I'm saying? But that's what I would do. I would have it in two separate pieces. So when you go to sew the front to the back, you would sew in the two side seams first. Then I would make the casing for the elastic band at the top, but for, you know, purposes of getting you guys through the rest of the project, because really this is all there is to it. Like I said, I would put in the elastic band and make the casing at the top, throw in the zipper, and we're done. So I'm going to show you guys what this all looks like put together, and I promise you, you're going to be like, was that a sweater? I don't know. All right, glamour shoppers. It literally came out the exact way that I wanted it to, with the glass bead pearls on the front and the very bold black zipper on the back. Like I said, it literally is a separating zipper, so you can take this bad boy all the way, you know, all the way down. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and let you guys see the finished product on me, actually. But that's all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned. I will be doing some more fall, winter. We coming into there. I got some cool ideas for the seasons coming up. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss when I go ahead and upload them every Wednesday. Thanks so much if you stayed until the end, and peace out.